Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And oh my gosh, I have a fun card for you today. This past Saturday, I had my online class. We used the circle sayings. Just one stamp set. We made 4 different cards and none of them look alike. So let me show you. This was the first one we did. This was the second one that we did. That was a nice little fun fold. This was the third one that we did, and then this was the final one that we did. So I wanted to show you, if you ever need a quick and easy card, we're gonna make this card today. So let me show you. It's just 1/2 sheet of Whisper White thick cardstock, or basic white thick cardstock. And let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna get back that circle sayings. We're going to use this cupcake here, and we're going to use this happy birthday there. So we're going to get out our piece of cardstock cut at 4 1/4 and scored at 5 1/2, and then you're just going to move that over, and then you're going to get just a bone folder, and we're going to burnish that down, and that makes it so that it sits nice and flat. So now that we have that nice and flat, we're going to get out our Memento ink, and we're going to get out our lemon lime twist along with a blending brush. So we're going to make it a little bit different, and I always have just a little scrap paper just to test out my ink. So you can ink that up, and then you test it out and see how dark it gets, and then as it starts getting lighter, that's when we want to use it. So I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to kind of add a little bit of color on here and get that, just some color, not a whole lot, just a little bit. And don't be afraid to just do it until you think it looks fine. So I think it looks great there, and that was the lemon lime twist. It's a nice little limey green color. Then, since we have that, I'm going to take out my lemon lime twist pen, and I'm going to, again, stick this under here, because what we're going to do is we're going to add just some specks. So I'm going to take that cap, and we're just going to throw some specks on there. And I don't know if you could see it from where you're at, but got some nice little specks. I'm going to do it again on this corner. And that just adds a nice little touch there. I'm actually going to use that pen again. So that's going to dry for just a second. While that's drying, we're going to use our cupcake, and we want to make some cupcake liners. So see here, we've got those cupcake liners. Well, we're only going to need the bottom portion for those liners. So I've got myself an 6x6 piece of designer series paper. Look at all these colors that we can use. So I've already done the pink, I've already done the green, and then I've got this boho blue color. So I'm going to take out my Memento ink, and I'm going to just move this over so you can see it. All I need to do is do half to where the liner is, because I'm not going to be doing the whole cupcake yet. So then I'm going to put this right here, and now I've got that cupcake liner, and we're just going to take and cut that out. So quick and easy. I cut right on the black lines because it's going to fit perfectly. And why? Because there's already the black lines when we stamp our image. So I'm going to just stamp along that image, and then at the top I just kind of Go back and forth like it says. But even if you don't get it right, you're going to be okay. So I'll do that one a little bit bigger so you could see. We'll stamp this one along the black line because it's got some of that dark showing. And you're just going back and forth, back and forth. It's pretty simple. I'm kind of taking my time here, but I did some of the others. The other two colors already. So there we go. We'll set that there. And now we've given this time to dry. We're going to use our Memento. We're going to get that cupcake back on here. And we are going to start with our first cupcake. And we're just going to put that cupcake right in the center. We're going to get another cupcake. We're going to move it over just a little bit. And then we're going to get another cupcake. And we're going to move it over just a little bit. So now we've got our 3 cupcakes. We're going to go ahead and put our liner on. So we just get our green glue. And I think it's, what's the name of it? The multi-purpose glue. Of course, I'm using the one that I'm almost out of, and I then had it laying on its side. Oh, there we go. And I'm just moving that glue so it gets all over. And we're going to go ahead and line up the top of the liner. Look at how it changes that. Isn't that cute? So then we're going to get the other color. We're going to do the same thing here. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I was thinking here. It happens. All right. Normally I store it upside down, but not this time. We're going to do the same thing here. And then our last one. Maybe that'll help. Oh, yes. Like a TV. If it's not working, just pound it. I don't know, does that still work anymore when you pound the TV? I haven't had to do that for a long time. So we've got that in our bubble bath. So we've got the lemon lime twist, the bubble bath, and the boho blue. So now we've got it. I'm going to make mine into some chocolatey cupcakes. I'm going to just use a crumb cake, and I'm going to go ahead and put the actual cupcake part here. And you could have done this before, I wasn't thinking. I definitely wasn't thinking here. But we're just separating the cake from the frosting, so we're good. And if that side doesn't work, use your other side. There we go. Looks good. Look at that. All right, so we have this one here, and I'm going to go ahead and color in that frosting. And because we're only using one piece of paper for the card, because it's a quick and easy card, I am using regular Stampin' Up markers and not the blends, because the blends will bleed through as they are alcohol markers. And so I am doing the colors different So since this is pink, I'm going to do pink over here. It's the bubble bath. And remember, I did this light, so even though that frosting looks like it is a light lemon lime, it's not going to show up on that frosting. That bubble bath is still going to shine through. Okay. And then finally our boho blue. And this one's a dark, but that's okay. It'll be fun. And there we go. So last thing we need to do with our stamping is get our happy birthday on there. So I'm just going to go with the memento since we already have that memento there. I'm going to take my happy birthday. I'm just going to put it straight in the middle there. Now I'm going to get out our little bits here, and I'm going to go with some pretty rhinestones. And if you know me, I put a large rhinestone with a small rhinestone, and then I'll put another small rhinestone over here, but then I want to put one on the top of each cupcake. And that's it. How cute is that? And look at the difference. Different colors, still beautiful card. So this one, I think I used lemon, what is this one called? I forget the new names. Lemon Lolly. And then this one, I used the lemon lime twist. So, isn't that pretty? All right, so that is what we did with this month's class. And I'll just let you take a screenshot of this. If you want to attend next month's class, you just go to jeanpersani.stampinup.net, put in the May host code, and you're going to order the Cheerful Daisies bundle, or you can place a $50 order in May. And then if you want to be invited to all of them every month, just join the Stamping Beauties team. Just click on the join now, and that'll give you more information on how to become a Stamping Beauties. So again, jeanpersani.stampinup.net. Purchase the Cheerful Daisies. It's the whole bundle, so you'll want to get the stamp set along with the dies as well. So when you do buy the dies, make sure you have the stamp cut and emboss machine. This one, you can use the mini or you can use the large, either one. So, all right, I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, put them down below. Please give me a big thumbs up. Having you give me thumbs ups, sharing, and subscribing always help my channel. And I look forward to stamping with you again soon. All right, I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.